You already have a nice life, but the Filipino guy won. Buhay, pag nag-aaway kayo.
Bago kasi naging kami, meron akong verse na ano pa.
Before you had a relationship with him, you with someone else. So what happened to Korean guy? You choose Filipino guy. It's your fault. Regret ka talaga nun. Kasi you choose your Filipino guy over the Korean. And now you wanna find a foreigner again. You already have Korean guy before, and you choose the Filipino guy. You get pregnant.
Kung mabuntis.
After you had a baby, you work in a bar. Damn!
Sakto ko nag-16. Tapos, dinaya lang yung ano.
You were,
Dinaya ko yung
so you're
yung
using fake ID and fake age.
Kasi syempre, kailangan ko buhayin yung isang anak ko. Yung anak ko yung first baby.
But you never think that you'll be in jail.
Nagkano ka kung pagkadalaga.
So it
Tapos
means your
nag-work
first
ako.
baby
Oh.
is a different guy.
Mm-mm.
If you went to work in a bar using fake ID.
Tapos nun, namit ko din yung Pilipino ko. Yun. Doon ako napunta sa Pilipino.
Then you meet your Filipino guy in a bagong daan.
Dati siyang secure dun sa tabi nung...
He's a security guard next to your where the bar you're working. Now you're with him that you got 3 kids with him.